Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome again. So this is the last and final video of the series guys. We have completed the first front steering mechanism and rear wheel drive mechanism with the motors. We have right now the only thing left is adding the motor for a steering mechanism. So it is very pretty simple. Let's start the video without any delays. Okay, let's switch to the RC modifications part studio now, and we have to enable. We need those previous parts. Okay, let's click edit and show all the parts. Okay, that's fine. Now here, actually, let me show you the mechanism of the truck. Steering mechanism. Steering mechanism of. So nowadays, every vehicles are actually using the rack and not rack and pinion. That is different. Acromat steering mechanism. So that's actually we have actually drawn here. So in order to move those wheels, we need an extra point. That is so. This is the correct example. Okay. Okay. No, it's not. Okay, this is good. I think. Nope. 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 Well. Well, yeah. So I think there's no diagram is actually showing what I want to show you guys, but but I already have the video. If you observe it, I will show you later itself. Okay, we need then another part here that should be fitted to this one of the wheel hub. Okay, so let's draw that. So I'm going to choose the. We need a plane. The filter box select for plane, and you can find the every plane that you have designed there. Got the plane itself. Well, actually, we need plane here itself. Okay, let's start from here. Shall select this face uh, under the filter option, select sketch, and I'm going to choose line. Choose use tool, draw the horizon, switch to the top view, sorry, the bottom, and select the line and draw a line inside. So I'm going to draw this side so I can rotate it. Okay, let's draw this side. Okay, you should draw the inside one as well. Okay, now choose slot, set the line, adjust the diameter. Right now the value is, let's keep it passenger. I'm going to delete this and fit this to one by choosing intersection or coincident. Sorry. Okay, draw the same wheel here itself. Press escape, select the circle and this one and select equal, so they follow the same dimensions. Now let's give the diameter length of this one. Let's keep it 7. Okay, that's fine. Good. Now save the sketch. I think we need one more part. Actually, that should be drawn different way. Actually, we don't need this much here. Okay, let's edit the sketch. Actually, honestly, we don't need this much here. Let's edit the constraint that we have added. Delete that equals to con constraint tool. Okay. Now let's adjust the dimension. Should be one is okay. One is perfect. Now let's draw the outside circle. Let's give it the value to 2. Now select the line and draw the line to this other side of tangent to the line to this both circles. Okay. Select the line and select this other side of the circle. The top two from this one. It should be horizontally center. Cool. Now save the sketch. Now click on extrude. Choose only what we needed and sorry, it should be solid. Damn man. And give the value to 1 mm. That's fine. That thickness is not or zero point 0.5. Choose offset. Should not be this much. The offset value should be 1 mm or zero point 0.5. Okay, let's keep it as yep, and save it. So when we move it to in and out, the steering wheel rotates. Okay, so we have to draw a fit here and a motor as well. We need motor here as go here as well. So let me show the position of the motor. The motor should pull in and out. Actually, I prefer to use a servo motor here. Here, let's see. You can find this in Vex library. Okay, this is also an extension. You can find the motors, electronics. I think here itself. Okay, we are not getting anyone. We have the motors, but these are all fixed motors. Can't edit those because they're already adjusted. Let's choose a different library and find for servo motor. Hope we can find that part. Servo motor. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Show it, show it. Damn man, I think these parts only have these 10 motors. Let's switch with other library trace parts. Servo motor, please. Hey man, these are all big motors. We need very small motor actually. Hmm. Okay, no worries. let's let's find the motor and add it here. Okay, switch back to RC modifications. We have to draw another plate here, so I will show you. Okay, so that plate should actually be drawn in different way. Okay, or else you can use we can use different way as well. Okay, so let's draw that. Yeah, now let's draw these and the plate here. Actually have to draw. So let me choose edit the sketch 60. Okay, and switch to the bottom view and select a line, draw from here to here, and give the length value to be, let's keep it 10 mm. Okay, and it should be slot again, and right now the value should be 2 mm. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, now save the sketch. Let's edit the extrude 82. Okay, and select the missing faces. Okay, now save the extrude. Now visible the sketch of 830. Select extrude again, and right now let's choose this one region because we need this only. Choose this region and this region. Okay, and we must this one and this one. Make sure you have selected the every region so in order to not missing the in order to get the correct shape. Okay, let's give it to 1.1. It's got to be 0.5, right? And it should be new. Okay, it should be new part. Okay, that's good. Let's do offset to other side. Keep it to 0.5 mm again. Okay, let's keep it 1 mm and save it. Now hide the sketch. So right now I'm going to go visible the sketch once again. We need a plane here. To do that, select one of the plane face or parallel to this region and select offset plane tool and choose line angle and select the center angle and save it. Now select the plane, shift to left view. Okay, cool. Okay, shift to left view, select sketch and select the use tool. Select center point, circle. Okay, select use tool, which should be, yeah. Now we need to tangent to it. Select this arc and line and keep it tangent. And it is showing to keep it to center to this, but the circle will be too big. Okay, keep it tangent to this as well. And select the origin to vertical to this point. Okay, now that is perfect. Now add another circle. Or do you can also use offset as well. Okay, let's give one. Finish the sketch. Okay. Draw this side line as well. Now save the sketch. Now select the regions and choose extrude. Select symmetric. Give value to 1. Okay, 2. That's fine. Now save it. We don't need these extra regions. Select these and remove them. Use choosing extrude remove and save it. Okay. Now here we have to draw a shaft. Okay. Select this region. It should be the inside one, not the outside. Let me choose in this side. Oh, let me choose in this side. Let's keep it. We have to draw an inside as. Okay. Select this space. Select sketch. Select use to draw the circle. Because it should be complete shaft. Okay. Press escape. We have to draw the shaft here. Select extrude. Give the minimum value to 1. That is perfectly fine. Give it symmetric value or else and choose 2. Keep it as new. It should be new. Not as a better use instead of symmetry. Let's choose second end position and give the depth should be up to face. And there you go. Now save it. Now draw the wheel. Sorry, the gear. Select use tool. Select this region. Select circle, and it should not be drawn from here. It should be drawn from somewhere else. And make sure that should be inside this one. You have to switch the view to this left or right. Okay, let's make sure these two are vertical to each other. Okay, that's good. Now edit the diameter of this one. Let's keep it 5. Okay, that is perfectly good. Now save it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same motor, same gear because it, we have used the same values here. So in order to use the same parts, click on transform tool, select, select which parts you want to be transformed there. I need shaft, motor as well, and the gear, and choose mid connector option. and make sure select the copy part. Okay, and there it should be. It is asking the main connector, so choose the gear center here and gear center to this circle center. You have to change the alignment direction, and there you go. We got set and save it. Well, actually, here we use the gear. Yeah, actually, we can use the gear here as well. Okay, let me use this one. Select extrude, keep it the value to 2 mm, and save it. We don't need the gear, just simply hide it. Okay, just fill this, hide this, and let's extend it using thickness tool. Let's keep it to 1, 2. Okay, 2 is fine. Okay, now the assembly is set. Now let's fit this motor to this uh, body or the chassis. To do that, let's use let's use just remove this part. Just remove the motor first. Select boolean. Select subtract. Select the motor. It should be removed from the body and keep that. We got the gap there. Now we have to fit the motor to here. It's here. For that, you can add a fitter. It's pretty simple. Just select the extrude, select thickness, choose. Okay, we need to have and sketch here. Actually, you can add a fitting here, or else you can stick the motor using any glue like this, or else you can add a fitter. Okay, let me show you that. It's pretty simple. Just select this phase, start sketching, choose use tool, Android. That's it, simple. And draw one more line. You should need to have this line. Okay. Now choose trim. We don't need the below one. We don't need the center one. Okay. We have to trim. Just draw from the center to bottom because it is covering too much. That should not be there. Do the same on other side as well. Well, we don't need this much length. Let's trim this as well. We don't need it. Now use extend tool. choose extend tool, choose this line so we can extend how much we want. Choose tire, upsy, let's choose line, it's better. Keep the both values equal. Now give dimension on any other side. Should be 2. And choose trim tool once again. We don't need this curve, this line, and this line. All set. Now save the sketch. Choose extrude, choose thin, and select the sketch. Make sure give the value to 0.1 mm thickness, and it should be 2 mm. Should be opposite to the direction. It should be new. And now select the every sketch. Up to 0.2 mm thickness, that is perfect. Now choose starting offset. Keep it 2. Change the direction. Okay, that is perfect. Now save it. So this is the fit. You can attach it. You can add holes here as well if you want. Okay. So that's all for video. So in the next video, let's assemble it. I know this is the final video as I said, but it's taking more time to teach you to make everything parts working. So let's complete this animation in the next video and complete assembly animation of the truck. Okay. See you in the next video, guys. And if you really liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.